This is one. Let me have a look. There's a Chinese name. My Chinese sucks. 吾皇万岁. God, I'm stuck, man. I can't read. 吾皇万岁. 万岁, I know it's like 1,000 years. 万岁万岁万岁. Oh, I can't read, man. 什么把什么黑. I really can't read. But you can see from here, the other figures in this set. It was interesting because you have the pug and you have the cat like a mermaid. It's okay, always down for cute animals. This is from 52 Toys. I've seen a few images online, not accidentally, randomly, and with the influx of blind box toys these days, it's no longer just Pop Mart. It's various brands. These brands, which I saw at the Green Party, the place, is all non-Pop Mart. So I'll upload pictures now so folks can have a look. Let's have a look at what's inside. The painfulness of unboxing is ripping the box apart. But other than that, can't wait to see what's inside. I love the new unboxing, rather the box situation where it's like an additional die cut you can rip open and subsequently you can close the tab back as well. That works a lot for me, man. It works a lot for me. See? You can see the clasp, so you can clasp back. So yes, it's torn, but it's all good lah. At least it's still kept in the box. So that works a lot for me. I've not shown a picture. Yeah, 15.90 Sing dollars. If I do sell them, it will be similar price with a markup because it's PayPal. There's a card. There's a card which might give away what it is. I'll put it aside. I don't bother how it looks. Actually, I shouldn't bother. I just put here. Okay, 52. The foil bag. Everybody has a foil bag. Recently, I've seen pictures where folks like shaking the box, trying to see how heavy it is. I can understand the feeling of trying to find something and going through blind boxes to find a way to feel out at least how heavy it is. I appreciate a lot of blind boxes now are like solid sealed in boxes and not like opened up, where in the past I've seen people feeling up a plastic bag, which I cannot deny. I'm not that hardcore collector, so I won't know what the feeling is going through that, but I don't agree with it, but neither can I say otherwise because I don't know how it feels, man. Anyway, not justifying anybody's actions. There's a comment. Killer mermaid. You can see the cat and the mermaid, which is cute, but let's see what it is. Ooh, it is the cat with the mermaid. The cat that couldn't give a darn. Look at the face, like, yeah, whatever, dude. Yeah, that's the card. Cat with the mermaid. Mercat? Mercat? Do I want to open this? Yes, I'll open this. Oh, comes with a little accessory. I won't open the accessory, but I'll open the bag itself. So yes, if I do intend to sell this, it won't be mint in bag, but you see what you get. I'm not remembering to throw the bag aside. There's an additional clip here that ooh, see the cat with the clamshell covering the nipples. Okay, let's have a closer look. Yes, it is adorable. Fat cat. I just love the eyes. Check out the eyes. Like, whatever, dude. Why are you taking picture of me? Why you paparazzi take picture of me at the beach when I'm just chilling? And just when I sunbathe in the nude and taking down my clamshell, you take a picture of me. Dude, bugger off. I think it's hilarious. Single piece. Very nicely done. You can see the shade. The fade, not the shade, the fade. This is not a trick of a light, it is literally a fade. Whereas the whole figure, I'm not sure, but it's all PVC. It's a solid piece. It's a solid piece, no articulation. With the cap. Look at the details of it. Can the camera see the details? Ah, cool. Nice. I should consider, I've got to dig out my apps where additional lenses where there is a macro lens. Macro. You can see closer, but this is that's close enough. So this works for me. Nice details, huh? Very nice details. Okay, let's put on a box. Hilarious, man. This is hilarious. And if you missed my video just before, this is the additional clamshell accessory that came with it. I don't know where it's supposed to go, but it is a part of the figure. It's the clamshell covering the nipples. It's hilarious. This is awesome, man. Awesome. Okay, let's put this aside.